Here are the tools and other requirements you need to make a Vesak lantern: bamboo, twin thread, scissors, and a knife. So first you have to cut a bamboo tree straight as possible like this, and you can cut small pieces of it whatever the length you like, but I would suggest you maybe figures like 4 to 42 inches or 48 inches, or maybe you can use 27 as well. The numbers which I have given to you, that you may have noticed that each number should be able to divide it into 3. So because at the end of the day you have to have small strips of bamboo which can be divided into 3 equal parts. Then you will have what you have to do is, then as the second step, you have to tear those bamboo into small strips like this. So it may be have a thickness of maybe nearly 1 centimeter thickness, and so you have equally cut strips like this. There should be 24 pieces of bamboo strips like this. Then third step, what you have to do is, you have to mark. If you take one strip of bamboo using a permanent marker, you have to mark the bamboo strip into 3 equal parts. So say for example, if you take 42, which I have taken, you can divide it into 3 pieces, 14 inch each. So I have make it like that. So all the strips you have to mark the similar manner like that using a permanent marker. Then out of the 24 pieces, take 12 pieces, and those 12 pieces you may have to make a groove right at the mark, over the mark you have made, and here it is, the groove like this over the mark you have made. Why we have to make a groove on 12 pieces over the 12 pieces is that because you are going to bond together these 2 pieces like this, where you can bind it perfectly when you make a groove. Otherwise it tends to slip like this. So you make a groove, one of the bamboo pieces, not both. The other one you should not have the groove. So what you can do is, once you make grooves on 12 pieces, the rest of the 12 you can keep it separately without any grooves. So then you can bind together like this. Your mark is there and the other one's mark is over here like that. So what you do is, you bond these 2 pieces together like that. So likewise you do it for all the squares. So at the end of that process you will get a piece like this. You will get a piece like this, where you have a square right at the middle and 4 extensions on either side. Okay, once you make this type of squares, you can attach them together to form a Vesak lantern. This is how you are going to attach them together. You can connect these squares together by attaching these together like this, and you can use your twine to bind this like this. So each square should be connected to each corner like this. Now another square comes to this side, another square comes to this corner. Likewise, you bind them together with your twines, and finally you will get a finally you would get a Vesak lantern like this. Then you can uh, glue these bamboo strips with some kind of glue and attach tissue papers, and finally you can get a nice Vesak lantern. Once you finish sticking the tissue papers to your skeleton of bamboo, you will see you can finish a Vesak lantern like this, and you can fix an electric bulb and can be used as a Vesak decoration to celebrate Vesak. Thank you so much for watching our video.